Yeah. Okay.
What do you say? Wait, is it on?
Here, hold it with 2 hands.
So I think I have a secret crush. I've been like smiling at her. She smiles back. I gave her a note that said she looks really pretty today.
You did?
Yeah.
This is news.
And she asked me if she wanted like to come to my house and play, or she wanted to. She's my really best friend, and I'm gonna ask her if she likes me.
Oh.
And I like her a lot, but also that a different girl gave me a note that said she likes me, and her friend gave it to me, and I'm trying to figure out who it is. Like she said she's my like, secret admirer or something, but that's just my update.
Boston, question.
Yeah. What?
Hold on.
See, Olivia, thank you for putting the camera on me.
Okay.
Question, so you have a crush on someone. Does she know?
No.
And then someone has a crush on you and you don't know. So is it possible that the person you have a crush on is the person that has a crush on you? Is that possible?
I don't know. Probably.
Hopefully.
You know, I don't know. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible.
Yep, possibilities everywhere. Ooh.
Hello, people.
Have you showed Olivia what you can do, Cody?
Yeah, so my friend showed me this at school. It's like, it does something and it makes you like, it can make like steam come out of your mouth or whatever.
How can you do it so you can show them though? Where can you see? What's going to be a good background where you can see?
Well, it's kind of hard to do it because like when he was, wait.
He did it and I saw.
Well, in the house he tried to show me, and oh, my face looks really red. He tried to show me in the house, and he was like, can you see this? I'm like, not coming out, but like in the inside of his mouth, it was like smoke or something, but it was like stuff that he did. I don't know what it was. It was really weird.
Let's see if we can do it. Come here, Cody. I'll help film. Come here.
Okay.
Wait! You just get it going. He's going. Okay. Cody said that he saw this from a friend. Okay, so the light's coming in to the side like this. Okay, show us how you do it.
So like, you do like a, but you gotta have your mouth shut. So it looks a little funny on the outside.
Okay.
But and then once you're done with that, you gotta like, try to breathe out, but don't do that.
So like putting pressure on it.
Yeah, put pressure on it.
In your mouth.
And then once you're done with that, then you like breathe out.
Okay, we're gonna try to capture this. I saw it with my very own 2 eyes. Have you guys seen it?
Yeah. I saw it.
Yes.
I did it.
Weird. I'm like
I didn't do it.
Hey, did anyone see it?
I did it, and I saw Cody.
Okay, so keep going.
I forgot one thing.
Oh.
At the start, when you go like this, you gotta have air in your cheeks as well.
Yeah. All right, so let's see.
Right.
Do a lot. Okay, and then he's gonna apply pressure. Oh, I saw
that.
it. Did you see it?
saw
We saw it. Okay, now.
Girl, I saw it.
Okay, honestly, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm sure there's a scientific reason behind it. I just don't know exactly what it is.
Yep. Yeah.
All right. So, mommy's update. I still don't feel well. I'm not feeling like very energetic. What am I cutting up first? Onion. Where's the onion? Onion. Got an onion. But the show must go on, am I right?
Mm-hmm. Good curry paste.
What are we making? Curry. We're making curry. I made an entire video on it. So if you want the recipe, I'll put that video in the description for you. This was at Joel's request. Joel wanted this for dinner. He is gone.
Do you need to crush some nuts?
There's a bag of peanuts somewhere. They're called Spanish peanuts, if you'll see if you can find them. And then yes, we need to crush them. So if you guys want to get like a bag and oh, this is strong.
I know.
Oh my gosh, my eyeballs.
Mom, I found this, Mom.
No, there's a bag of Spanish peanuts. Find a Ziploc bag. Cody gets to do it.
I get it.
You guys can take turns.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like
like this. I'll tell you what. This is how I want you to measure it. Get like just like here, let me show you. There's 6 of us, and this is about how much we'll sprinkle. This is about how much we'll sprinkle, so I have 1 little handful for me. Now get 5 more. Okay. So that way each person has a little handful of crushed peanuts that they can put on top of their curry.
Wait, Lincoln, do you have an update?
Yes, he does. Lincoln, what have you been doing the last couple of days?
I've been staying home with Mom and watching shows, and
Tell them what we do all day.
we
The first day he stayed home, how many hours did you stay in the bathtub?
about 12.
6. It was 5. He stayed in for at least for 5 to 6 hours.
I watched 2 movies and like 3 episodes of Danger Force.
Yep. We watched movies.
And there's someone in my class,
Oh.
and
I don't know what you're about to say.
I have a crush on her.
Ooh. What do you like about her?
She's just pretty.
Aww. Is she nice?
Yeah.
He's all knows the one kid this mean.
Yeah, tell them what someone told you at school.
Oh, she.
So it started out with her hitting, like kicking you. And then she said if you told on her, she was going to what?
Give me a black eye.
So that was exciting.
And she said, somebody in the class knows how much I hate new kids.
Yeah, she was like,
And she did the middle finger on me.
Aww, and that was kind of sad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then we haven't been back since Christmas break, so we don't have an update on that.
Yes.
Mom, what should we use to crush it?
Ball.
I can do it first. No, we all get a...
Everyone gets a turn to crush the peanuts.
Yeah, actually,
Please don't,
I didn't do a handful.
please don't crush your hand.
I did not do a handful.
It's okay, honey. It's really
I'm not
okay.
gonna be leaving.
Plus, we don't want you touching the peanuts because you're sick.
Yep.
Okay.
It's going outside of the bag. So
No,
you
that
gotta-
was just a peel that I...
Okay, well, you gotta be careful on corners, too. Fly.
All right, well, you guys, the reason we have such a little one taker for you is because we haven't felt good around here and there hasn't been a whole lot to film. Lincoln and I literally, for the last 2 or 3 days,
We ordered Chick-fil-A for lunch.
we've ordered food in and we've just stayed home sick. That's what we've been doing. So that's our update and we'll see you guys in our next video.